Akin na muna yung mga basket, yung mga laman nito. Daddy, akin na yung hat niya. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Oo. Ayaw mo naman. Oo. Sige.
Masyadong malayo. Ay, malayo, Daddy.
Okay, dito lang yan. Dito lang, oh. Ikaw na.
Ay, dapat makita na lang sila.
Oo, makita na lang nila. Ano, game na.
Asan yung hat ni Jewel?
Ayaw nila mag-hat eh.
Hindi, dapat nakahat sila. Para
Ah. Asan yung hat? Yung hat. Yung pwede ka hat. Sige, kalat mo. Yan, kalat. Oh, sige. Ang dami naman. Kita agad. Ready? Go! Oo, nila. Ang dami. Akin na. Wala naman kukuha niyan. Nasa ano tayo, nasa safe na lugar. Oh, go! Oo! Oh, go! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ang gini kasi nililipad. Ayun pa, sa likod! Sa likod mo! Oh, ayan pa! Ang dami! Oh, doon! Ayun pa, doon! Oh, ayun! Sa mga ayan, sa mga sets dito. Ayan, sige!
There's opening eggs! You have to open!
No, it's okay. Ano muna, ipunin mo. O, dito pa, o. Tam. Ayun, o. Yung malalaki na, no? Di malay na vlog pala to. Ang dami. Siguro mga 2 oras na to. Ang hirap edit nito.
Hey, I found one more!
Asan? Asan pa? Okay na? Okay, finish na. Muntik na yung cellphone. Iniwan. Yung... Hindi, iniwan niya.
Five and five!
Okay.
Wow!
Look at that, you got gift! You have to wear your complete outfit.
Oo, ito. Jewel. Oh, Jewel.
We're gonna do picture.
Oh, Jewel
Picture
ito.
muna.
Oh, Jewel.
Thank you.
Just put this lang and then just the picture. Put everything inside your Easter egg
Oo. Mamaya na kayo magbilangan. Dito ito.
Ilagay mo dyan. No, Jewel, because we're gonna do picture lang. One picture lang,
Oh, yan, picture.
Oh, hold this,
Oh,
hold this.
hold.
Hold.
Oh, picture na.
Wait lang, wait.
Ayan, ayan. Ayan, picture na. Oh, sige na.
No, dapat be happy.
Yan.
Wow,
Dami
good.
egg, ah.
Normal lang, dali. Draw, normal.
Yan.
Yay! Like this one.
Take a picture with them. Go, go, go.
Yay!
Go, go, go.
One more, one. Can you show it to me?
Oh, wait, wait, wait.
Amazing.
Try!
Hala!
Wow!
You have Pepsi.
Yay!
And I got that. And a big chocolate egg. I know, no. Wow!
Ha?
Wow!
Oh! I wanna eat this.
Hindi na yun.
I give you the origin for the prize.
Nasaba ka ng
Oo.
milk.
Hey.
Sige. Jude, kasi it's already melted na daw.
Oh.
I wanna eat this.
Pero okay na yan.
Thank you. I wanna
Oh,
eat
can you show it to me? Oh, can you show it to me? Wow, that's so yummy. Ang dami
Wow,
naman.
daming ano, chocolate egg. Ha, Easter Hunter egg.
Daddy, Tito Ronnie.
Wow! Sulat! Wow! Dami na kakain ni Mami. Ang dami ng chocolate ni Mami ah.
Put it.
Wow, patingin ng mga eggs. Patingin ng eggs. Wow.
Happy guys?
Happy na kayo guys, ayan na. It's so cute.
Oh, more.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
put in your bag. Put in your bag. Put in your bag.
Wala na kami ganyan ng maliit.
Totoong itlog. Totoong itlog. Dami nakuha ah.
Uy, pero mapigdan pala kung
Okay, mas nag-enjoy kayo sa mga hindi natin pinaitan.
picture na natin yung nakuha niyo.
Oh,
Picture na natin yung
picture,
nakuha.
picture.
Ah, ilagay mo.
Wow!
Ay, ilagay natin yung
Oo,
nakuha niyo.
Yay!
Ano ba ayusin mo? Pala maganda yun. Oh.
Ah, picture na. Ayan.
Oh. Wow! Nahi!
It's okay. Yeah, messy hair. Don't
You don't need it.
I did it. I'm gonna picture all the picture one. Rebecca. Amazing.
I like these toys. This is so pretty.
Really?
Na ang iPhone natin.
Muntik na.
Nawawala na talaga sa isip ko.
Oh, let's open it.
Amazing.
I want to open it myself.
Oh, you can eat na. You have to share with Kuya RJ.
Yes.
For us, sure.
And also with me. Can you share with me? Please. Can we give one, please?
No.
Why? Wow, so big one.
Maybe there's something inside.
Ayun pa, may isa pa dun. Ayun pa, may isa pa.
Thank you, Kuya RJ.
Rio Grande Food Court.
I want to open it.
Ha? Oo.
And do it.
Try na tayo. Oh, baka. Yung 5 naman yan, hindi naman nagagamitin.
Look.
Tara, try na tayo.
Kuya RJ.
Ah, nilalagay yan dyan.
Indonesia. Mommy. Daddy.
Wow!
Ito
Katuwa
pala
nyo
nilalagay dito yung candy o like that. Okay, let's.
What is Susie? No, I think it's on the
Daddy, hawakan mo.
It's on the
It's in here, in here.
Oh.
Tayo ba? I'm putting like this.
At maganda dito yung ano nila.
Siya lang ilagay natin
Oo.
dito.